Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Now, if you have more than one Google account, click on it and select the preferable one. Then tap on Autofill with Google, and Passwords. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. In order to fix it and make them visible, tap on this gear next to Password Manager. Make sure that this switcher next to Offer to Save Passwords is blue, and log in to one of your apps. I will go with Facebook. Now, in this pop-up, you need to tap on Save and then go back to the same settings. As you can see, my password was successfully added. Now, when you have all of those password manager options, you can add your password over here by selecting this plus next to Search Passwords. Now enter your website or select an app and finally input your username or email. Password, and also, if you wish to, take some notes. Now, in order to save your password, tap on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!